Scotty, before we get started,
all right,
we're going to have to preheat our oven to 350 degrees.
350
350 degrees.
350
350 degrees. Hello, my name is Shawn, editor at ScrewyMonkey.com.
And I am Scotty, a contributor here at ScrewyMonkey.com.
Welcome to another extraordinarily exciting episode of Monkey Chow.
Monkey Chow!
Monkey Chow! Hey Scotty, guess what we're making?
What are we making today?
More monkey bread.
Monkey bread on Monkey Chow.
What else would you make on Monkey Chow?
Other than monkey bread, I don't know.
Exactly.
Time to start some monkey business.
Let's do it. So for monkey bread, we're going to need a few things.
What are we going to need?
You're going to need 3 12-ounce cans of biscuits, Grands, flaky ones, generic ones, doesn't really matter. Flakier the better.
We're using the Kroger brand today.
We got Kroger brand today. You really want 12-ounce cans. We got 16-ounce cans. We're going to be doing some math later.
Right.
You want 1 cup of sugar. 1 stick of, well, actually we're not going to use the whole stick of butter, but almost a stick of butter. Some cinnamon. I think it's 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. We are going to use 1 entire cup of packed brown sugar.
Extra packed.
Extra packed. We are going to use 1/2 cup of chopped pecans, which I did not realize we shouldn't be using today, but that's a whole nother story.
That's
and
a different story.
a 1/2 cup-ish of raisins. In addition to that, you're going to need 1 pre-prepared, and by pre-prepared I mean oiled, bunt pan. I've had this one since I was a child.
I feel like everybody's grandma has one of those that's like 100 years old.
Yes, I've been
Like,
baking since I was a child.
can you help me?
No. And 1 Ziploc bag.
Ooh.
You don't have to get Ziploc, these are actually great value from Walmart. But anyway, a zippy bag.
We are price conscious here
Exactly.
at Screwy Monkey.
Hey, you know, the whole point of the channel is great food, doesn't cost a lot, doesn't take a lot of ingredients, really simple to make, right?
True, exactly.
All right, let's put together some monkey bread.
All right, let's do
Are
it.
you excited?
I need help. I'm
I am-
very excited.
I am so excited. You're gonna hold those the entire rest of the video.
Help.
Monkey bread is absolutely one of my favorite things ever to make.
Can I make a confession?
Yes.
I've never actually had monkey bread. Sorry.
Well,
But it sounds
that
good.
ends today, okay?
It ends right now.
Exactly. It's something that I usually make on holidays, like I usually make it on Thanksgiving or Christmas.
Yeah.
But I also make it all year round. It is a fabulous little dish. It's really great for breakfast. It's a good dessert. It's just everything, really. And it couldn't be simpler to make because it takes like 4 seconds.
Honestly.
Okay.
Love it.
It's really made with pre-made stuff mostly, and it's just really awesome. So, the first thing we're going to do is we are going to take our zippy bag.
All right.
Ziploc. Okay.
Can I confess to you something?
Yes.
I forgot my hat.
This is your first video without a hat.
This will not happen. We'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I need a hat.
You're back.
I'm back.
And you have a hat.
And I have a hat.
I love you either way.
You didn't see me without a hat.
Exactly. You never saw it.
You never seen it.
All right. God, I feel like never mind. So what we're gonna do is we're going to take our zippy.
Yes.
We are going to dump our white sugar in there. You want most of it to end up in the bag, not all over the counter. Okay.
Okay.
That's all good.
Now it's all over my shoe.
Exactly.
Okay.
You're gonna take your cinnamon. You're gonna dump that in there too.
Ooh.
All of it.
Delicious.
It's like 2 teaspoons or whatever of cinnamon. It takes a
Shawn,
little bit.
aren't I supposed to be doing this part?
Well, you're gonna do the other part.
Okay.
The fun part.
Jeez, look at him. He's like taking over my job.
This is what I do.
I am Chef Boyardee here, okay?
And you're going to shaky. By the way, this cinnamon
Ooh,
sugar mixture.
looks
Have you ever
good.
made cinnamon sugar for like cinnamon toast?
I made it for churros.
Yeah, well, exactly the same thing then.
Made it for churros.
Okay.
Homemade things are the best.
Look at that. So you mix up all of your cinnamon sugar all together.
Delicious.
You set that aside. And then...
What's next, Shawn?
We get to cut some biscuits. Biscuit cutting.
Biscuit popping.
Biscuit popping. Now,
right.
I have to confess, off camera, earlier before we start shooting, this one popped already.
So you're going
to use that one first.
Start with
How's
this.
that?
All right.
We're going to switch places.
All right.
I'll let you go ahead. And what we're going to do is we are going to quarter the biscuits. That means 4 pieces each.
Oh, really? Really, Shawn? Does that mean 4 pieces? Quarter.
Quarter. I'm just saying, in case anyone out there has trouble with fractions.
All right.
All right.
So I'm going to cut them all into...
4 pieces each, yes.
All right.
Cut your biscuits.
Love biscuits. Oh, they're the best. And this one has like chunks of like butter in it. And it's just...
I know, we got the buttery biscuits because, you know, butter's better.
Butter's better.
Yep.
We live that Paula Deen lifestyle.
Paula Deen. We love Paula Deen. Except for when she's saying...
Paula Deen. We don't love Paula Deen.
Oh, we love Paula Deen. Come on.
I love Martha Stewart. Do you love
Martha Stewart's good.
That's my girl.
So, Paula Deen... You know why I do like Paula Deen, though? It's because she can't help herself.
True.
Yeah, she just can't.
She can't.
I mean...
Let's not talk about Paula Deen.
It's just, you just can't help yourself. I'm sorry. We're gonna hit that on the thingy. Maybe we should unwrap it first. I don't know. Maybe.
No, just, you know, just a little bit.
Kiss it.
I hate the sound. Oh my god, I hate the sound. Oh, I hate that. I hate that so much. Oh god.
Have some biscuits here. Play with my dough, Scotty. Play with my dough, okay?
Stop throwing stuff at me. Only thing you're allowed to throw at me is money.
God, smell these though.
They do smell really good.
It's like theater butter popcorn smell.
Let's just make biscuits for this video. I don't want anything else. Biscuits.
On this Screwy monkey Chow video, we make biscuits.
Canned biscuits.
Okay, that's all we need. Okay.
Alright, this is enough.
That's not enough.
This is an excessive amount. It's gonna, no! I hate that. It's like childhood beer.
It's just so explosive.
Oh my god, I love when things explode.
I do too. So let's just take like half this can and just throw it in there. Something like that. How's that?
Excessive amount of biscuits.
Okay. There, take another biscuit.
No, smell it again.
I can just lick this, it's so good.
Just smell it one more time.
Anything you smell and it smells good, you should lick, by the way.
That is not always true. I learned the hard way.
Any biscuits you have left over, if you buy excessively big cans like we did, make for dinner.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Biscuits and gravy.
Alright, are they all quartered?
Yeah, for this.
You're going to now take all of those quarters of biscuits and you're going to put them in that fabulous cinnamon mixture we made earlier.
We're gonna put them in here?
Yes.
Alright, let's go with the bag.
Yes.
And then we're gonna...
You want to make sure they're all individual though. Like seriously, make sure that none of them are attached to each other. Attachment's good, unless it's not.
I hate when people get attached.
Tell me about it.
So I'm gonna seal this up.
You seal it up. Guess what you do next?
Give it a shake.
Give it a shaky.
Ooh, yeah.
Shake it, rotate it. Get all those little pieces of dough coated in cinnamon sugar.
Is it worth it? Let me work it. I put my thing down for the reverse.
Copyright.
I'm just singing a song.
I'm like, we don't want no copyright infringement.
We don't. She doesn't own me not saying that. Sorry.
She owns everybody.
Shake it. That's enough. Okay, we're just gonna get sued. It's fine.
God. So are they all coated?
They're pretty good.
You want them really, really coated. I mean, like, look at that. Every little piece.
They look like chicken nuggets. Don't they? They look like chicken nuggets.
Don't make me pull chicken nuggets out of that freezer, because you know they're in there, okay?
Chicken nuggets.
Okay. Guess what we do next, Scotty Scott?
What is next?
We assemble our monkey bread.
Alright, show me what to do. What's next?
So, we're going to take this, set it aside for 1 minute. We're going to take our prepared bundt pan.
Your grandma's bundt pan.
It's all scratchy on the inside, don't show it. It's
fine.
good. Okay.
No.
Alright, and then we start putting our ingredients. Now, our ingredients are the biscuits we just coated, our nuts.
They've seen the ingredients, Shawn.
Well, hang on 1 second, because we're not all of them go in here right now. Okay, that one goes there, and our raisins.
Oh, raisins?
So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little tiny sprinkle, of nuts. I like a few nuts on the top.
I'm a nut on the bottom.
All right. I've heard that about you, Scotty Scott.
Few of these?
All right, just a few of those. 1 or 2. Yeah, okay, good deal. And then we are going to layer in our biscuits. This is where it gets a little bit on the messy side, though.
I love it when it's messy.
I know that. So you're just going to put those in there like that?
Just break them out.
Yep, yep.
Little pieces.
Little pieces.
Little nugget pieces.
Yep.
I'm gonna just take a handful. There you go. You take some. Ooh, yeah. Damn, this smells so good.
What's wonderful how fat and dough and sugar and cinnamon go together. Okay, when you're like sort of there a little bit, you got a few, like a little bit of a layer in.
Okay.
Then you're gonna take your raisins.
Add some more.
You're gonna add some more.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yeah, all the way around. They're gonna fall into the inside a little bit.
Some more of those.
You're gonna put your nuts in there. Well, you're not gonna put your nuts in there.
I'm too late.
Oh, damn. Right, you're gonna put some nuts in there.
They're preoccupied.
Alright. Gonna put some more biscuits in. Time for a little bit more nuts and some stuff.
Give me the rest.
Put that in there.
Go.
Let them pile in. I got my nuts unevenly distributed in there. Okay.
Go bang them.
Then you're just gonna throw in the rest of the cinnamon and sugar and dough and goodness and awesomeness. Just gonna go like
You're
that.
so violent with it. You're just gonna put it in. You're gonna.
I'm violent with everything I do. I like to kind of throw a little bit of the like cinnamon sugar stuff in there too. Why
We
waste
heard
it?
about
All
your
right.
violence.
The rest of this you can go use for like cinnamon toast or something. Okay.
Okay.
So you know what makes this extra special?
What's gonna make this extra special?
We're making caramel.
Oh Lord.
I know. I'm actually not going to show you the exact process of making this caramel because there's nothing really to it. But
What goes in caramel?
For this recipe though, we are going to take our saucepan.
Okay.
We're going to put it on the heat in a minute, but first we're going to put our butter. We need a half a cup of butter.
So carry the 1 times.
That's pretty much a stick of butter.
We're gonna
say
yeah.
stick of butter.
Stick
Okay.
of butter.
And it's actually margarine. You actually would normally make caramel with butter, but somehow when you're making it from monkey bread, you use margarine.
Oh, okay.
I don't know why.
It's margarine caramel.
Because it's screwy, like monkeys.
Yes.
Screwy monkey.
Screwy monkey.
Okay.
All right.
So then you take your brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
I like me some brown sugar.
I like white sugar.
And that's why we're friends.
Basically.
Okay, so we take that, and all you're going to do is you're going to melt this on the stove, and you're going to boil it down just a tiny, tiny bit until it becomes nice and bubbly.
Is that caramel?
It is.
Ooh.
I know. It gets all
Ooh.
nice and bubbly. Isn't that amazing?
Look at it. It looks so good.
I know.
Now that's some real caramel for you.
It's real brown sugar caramel. So
If
we're
you
gonna
guys had smell-o-vision right now, like, ugh.
we're gonna swap this out real quick, and then here's the easiest part about making monkey bread.
What are
You
we gonna
take
do?
this,
Okay.
you dump it over that,
Ah, there it goes.
get it all nice and in there.
We've got like this delicious buttery dough, and the cinnamon, and the brown sugar, and the butter. Oh God, it's just this is dreamy.
Look at that.
Ooh,
Isn't that amazing?
that's great.
So it's gonna get in between all the little nooks and crannies as it bakes.
Coat everything.
It's gonna coat everything, it's gonna glue it all together. It is amazing, and I cannot wait for you to see it as soon as it comes out of the oven.
Yes.
35 minutes.
We're gonna put it in the oven.
You're gonna
for
put it in a 350-degree oven for 35 minutes.
35 minutes.
So we'll see you in 35 minutes.
All right, see you in 35 minutes.
Do you smell that? It's
What?
monkey bread.
I was gonna say what the Rock is cooking, but yes, it smells delicious. Oh my God, you guys, OMG.
Oh, look at that. Is that not amazing?
Oh,
So here's the deal though, okay?
okay.
We can't dig into it right away. It's got to sort of set up for a little bit. No.
Can I
It's
just?
got to set up a tiny little bit. The caramel's got to get nice and sort of like, you know, crystallized but not yet set. So it's got to set for like a good 10-15 minutes.
But can I just a little?
10-15 more
Okay.
minutes. Okay? There it is, nice and cooled down. It is amazing. So,
we're gonna take a plate.
So we're gonna do a little magic here. We're gonna take the plate, we're gonna put it on the underneath side, like that. And then we're gonna do a flippy flip.
All right, let's see.
And we're gonna, this is when you say a little prayer, no matter what religion you are, and you hope it comes out of the pan, okay?
Yes, the moment of truth. Let's see. Voila!
And the monkey is free!
That is amazing! Claps from our live studio
seriously, that is amazing. Oh, Scotty, tell me that does not look insanely,
I don't even
insanely
know
good.
what this, like what it.
Ah! God, that is good.
That looks amazing. All right, time to serve it up.
All right. So a lot of people say you're not supposed to cut monkey bread.
What are you supposed to do? Like,
Supposed to like tear it apart.
Yeah.
And I say you are supposed to tear it apart, but you're supposed to cut it first.
Cut it and then tear
Because
it.
I'm not an animal. I might be a monkey.
But we
I'm
are
not an animal.
monkeys.
Exactly. Well, you know. So you take your bread knife and you just cut right on through it. You cut yourself a little piece of delicious, delicious monkey bread. It might fall apart a little bit as you're cutting it. That's okay.
Yeah, it's like made up of those little pieces, so it's like, let's see what we get.
You've never had monkey bread before.
I've never had it, so this is the first time I'm gonna try it.
We're taking his monkey bread virginity.
It's the only virginity I have left to take. Oh my lord. Look at that.
Ooh, that is really hot. Okay. There you go. It is steamy hot, so be careful.
Am I using my fingers?
That's the only way you eat monkey bread.
It's like,
You don't eat it any other way. Give it a try.
that's really good.
Is that amazing?
It has like the caramel coated sugary crystals on the outside.
It's so incredible. I'm telling you. I
amazing.
don't even
Put
have
that
to.
off.
I mean, that's just
Let's just rip into it.
insanity. So this is the first time I made it with the butter biscuits,
And it's really
and I'm telling you, I'm never making it with anything else.
yeah, like why would you?
That is
More butter? Like the more butter is like
well. We could just spend the rest of the video eating this.
we're gonna be here for like 10 minutes just eating
This is
this.
insane. I can't even talk. It's so good.
It's pretty wrong.
So I really do hope that you will make this and that you'll serve it to your family and that they will love it just as much as we do.
We love this.
It is insane. Thank you for joining us as we celebrate human culture one screwy monkey at a time. Join us for more and more monkey chows. There's a ton of them coming.
Honestly.
Absolutely. Hit the subscribe button. You're not going to want to miss any of them. I've got some delicious recipes planned. Hit the notifications icon so you will be notified when we upload them. Check out all of our other content.
On Facebook, YouTube, and on the website at screwymonkey.com.
Screwymonkey.com will have all of the recipes, all the directions for all of the monkey chows, including this one, and many, many, many more. See you soon.